Welcome to another office tour. Being the face of Mantle is really hard work. If you think about it, the fluorescent lights, the founder hustle. When I go out there, people don't see a co-founder. They see a star.
Hey, haven't I seen you on Netflix? Can I get an autograph?
Hang on. It's worth $6 on eBay.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Back to the tour. I want you to know that we hear you and your feedback. We've ignored all of it, but please keep it coming. Let's continue the tour. Let's walk over here for a sec. We added desks by our lunch area because we're running out of space in our closets. Let's talk to some of the people. Hi.
Hi,
Who are you and what do you do?
my name is Andrea and I do customer success,
So you're the one who sets up cap tables?
amongst other things, yeah.
Is it like baseball caps on a table or is there more to it?
No, not quite. More about equity management, you know? By the way, thank you for that 40-page document called the Amit method. It was super helpful.
That document is world famous. Claude said it was an amazing piece of work. Anthropic loves me for it.
Sure they do.
I'm going to turn it into a book. But we're the tech industry, so I got to sell it before I write it. So the question I have for you is a burger without the bun still a sandwich?
What are you talking about?
I want you to know that at our most recent leadership meeting, Canthony approved of you.
Excellent.
But we're going to save the backstory for the next day. That's it for this week's office tour. We'll see you next time.